Virtual Science Challenge participants. You might be wondering about the Mini-Project 1 assignment that's coming up after Topic 2. But before we get into that, let me explain the difference between topic activities, topic quizzes, mini-projects, and the VSC final project. The activities and the topics are developed for you to self-assess and practice your knowledge. These aren't tracked, and we hope you'll enjoy these activities with your teammates. You might be asked to start a virtual discussion on Google Hangout or share your thoughts with the VSC community on Facebook. The quizzes, though, are tracked so that your mentor can see your comprehension of keywords and ideas. You can take the quizzes as many times as you like. Your final attempt will be recorded for your mentor, so please be sure you log in with your full name. Again, you can use these quizzes to self-assess your understanding and progress. The quizzes and the activities are just meant to evaluate your recall of vocabulary and key concepts, but they don't really get into the higher levels of thinking, like critical thinking and creating and constructing and so on. And that's why we have the mini projects. In order for you to apply your new knowledge and collaborate and create with your team, we've developed 2 mini projects. These are not meant to be a comprehensive test of your knowledge, but to give you an opportunity to integrate your knowledge into a constructive product. They're also an opportunity to develop critical thinking skills, use and cite relevant sources, and display information in an organized fashion. Each team will develop one product together, so your collaboration and cooperative skills are the most important aspect of these projects. All these skills will be important for your final VSC Science Fair project. So remember, each team will create a project together. Not every student is responsible for creating a project on his or her own. So remember that collaboration and cooperation are really the most important aspects of this project. Let's talk about Mini Project 1. The purpose of this project is to demonstrate your knowledge of topics 1 and 2 through collaboration. You want to be sure to convey an understanding of basic nuclear physics from Topic 1 and some aspect of nuclear energy from Topic 2. The important thing to remember about this project is it's a visual project. We don't want this to be a writing assignment. Now, you may engage in some writing in order to prepare for this. If you're going to do a video or role play or narration or something like that, you're going to have to write to prepare. But to deliver it, we want you to deliver it verbally using video or audio. You can deliver it using pictures, maps, diagrams, models, anything visual that we can share on the showcase on the Virtual Science Project, and all the students who are involved in the project can see what you did. Each team mini-project will be evaluated by CNS content experts on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being did not meet the criteria, all the way to 5 met the criteria exceedingly well. The mini-project must demonstrate original creative work and use relevant resources. It must communicate good knowledge of the project topic clearly and concisely. We want to make sure we understand what is opinion and what is fact, and that the data is unbiased and matches the conclusion. Sources should be appropriately cited, and each student on the team should provide ideas and contribute work to the final product. The group should work as a team, listen to each other, and show respect for each other's ideas. And the mini-project must also show critical thinking, a new application of the knowledge, or higher level thinking skills, not just a reiteration of the lesson materials. The project should use visual materials and/or audio to communicate what was learned, and all the objectives of the mini-project should have been met. The mini-project should also be well developed and well organized with attention to visual neatness, detail, and accuracy, especially the data, which should be neatly displayed. The document for Mini-Project 1 also gives you several technology tools as examples that you can use. You can use PowerPoint with VoiceOver. Be sure if you use PowerPoint or Keynote that you don't put too much text in it and that it emphasizes visual and voice. You can also use video, build a model, and videotape a demonstration. create something using art, build a website, a blog, photo story, do some digital storytelling, or use VoiceThread. VoiceThread is also a great tool for collaboration, and you can create a game. Of course, you don't need to use our examples. You can come up with your own ideas about projects and what technology tools to use. Just be sure you check with your mentor beforehand so that we can create some objectives that match your project idea. For your project, you want to make sure you incorporate information from both topic 1 and topic 2. So, for example, a nuclear chain reaction inside a reactor and the behavior of isotopes and elements. This particular example will show how a nuclear chain reaction works. That would be from topic 2. But it would also involve the element and the isotopes that are involved. So that would be from topic 1. How neutrons are released during fission is also bringing the information from topic 1 into topic 2. So that's an example of how we incorporate the information from both topics into one project. But the nuclear chain reaction is obviously only one part of all the information you got in topic 2, and that's okay. So if you choose one of your own, make sure it's focused on one aspect of topic 2 and then incorporating the information from topic 1. So go to the classroom website, Mini-Project 1, Topics and Goals. You can also download it as a PDF. Go over the different topics and decide among your teammates which one interests you most, or choose another one that you would like to do. Be sure to discuss it with your mentor. Then you can start your reading and research, any writing that's necessary, collaborate together on creating the project, organize it, and present it. All the projects will be displayed in the showcase for all the participants of the Virtual Science project. So good luck with your projects, and we look forward to seeing what you come up with.